repair will cost $50,000. Following the 70% rule of thumb, you should be willing to pay no more than $90,000 for it. $200,000 times 0.7 equals $140,000. $140,000 minus $50,000 in repair costs equals $90,000 maximum purchase price. If you're a flipper, when you go to sell the property in this example, and if all goes well, you should be able to make a $60,000 profit minus any closing and carrying costs. $140,000 total investment, $200,000 sale price, and $60,000 difference. If you're a BRRRR investor, you should be able to refinance and pull out all of your capital or your private lender capital if you use the private lender at the time you refinance the property with a bank. Depending on the loan-to-value ratio required by your bank, you may even walk away with a little bit of cash at the time of closing. The local credit union we use for all of our refinances offers an 80% loan-to-value ratio for their loans. So in this particular example, we